Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up subscriptions on Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. All right, so first step, we need to go ahead and install a subscription app. So go ahead over to the bottom left right here from your Shopify admin. Click on Add or click on Apps and then click on Shopify App Store. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you're going to want to find the search bar and just type down subscriptions. Okay? Or the subscriptions app. So as you can see here, we have a ton of applications, including Shopify subscription, which is actually free. So you can go ahead and click on it. Just for example, we're going to use Shopify subscriptions right here, and then go ahead and click on install. Wait for a new page to load. And then once it loads, it will ask you to create your first subscription plan. All right. And by the way, in the left panel, you'll have apps subscription. So just go ahead and click on create a plan, just like so. Click on it, give it a title, for example, subscribe and save. Add in the description, subscribe for more content, just for example. Add in the product, click on browse and select one of your products right here, for example, a PDF. Select, scroll down, discount type, it could be a percentage, a discount, or no discount. Delivery frequency, once a week, or once a month, once a year. You can set up a specific billing day right here and add in some more options if you want to. All right. And then once that's done, click on save. Wait a bit, and you now have your first subscription plan. If you want to make more, just go back to subscriptions right here under plans, click on create a plan. Now, once that's done, the step 3 is to go ahead and add the subscription widget to your product page. Now, to go ahead and do that, go ahead over to your online store, go ahead and select the store where you wanted to add in some subscriptions. Now, just for example, this one right here, I'm going to go ahead and click on edit theme. And then once we're in here, at the top left, you have app embeds. So just click on it. Now just basically enable the subscription model. Now, if you don't have it right here, just make sure that when you go ahead over to your profile, refresh it, or the admin, Shopify admin, refresh it, go ahead over to subscriptions, just click on it, go to settings. Now scroll all the way down and find subscription widget, reinstall widget right here. There you go. Wait for it to load. And then once done, as you can see in the left panel under templates, we now have our subscription widget. All right. And when you go ahead and scroll down, it will show right here. Subscription widget will only show on products that have a subscription plan attached to them. And when you go ahead and click on it, you'll be able to see the parameters or properties. You can change the style. Scroll down, select the product right here if you want to, kind of replace it. All right, and do whatever you want from here. And lastly, by the way, you can go ahead and link the products to the purchase options. Now to do that, again, let's head back to our Shopify admin. And then let's head over to our products. So here we have, for example, the PDF. I'm just going to click on it. Now, when you go ahead and scroll all the way down, you'll find purchase options. As you can see, subscribe for more content or the specific subscription is available. If it's not popping out, you can just go ahead and add in subscriptions right here, create new. Also, you can tick on only sell this product with these purchase options. All right. And then do not forget to click on save right here at the very bottom. And there you have it. That is how you set up subscriptions on Shopify. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.